A very good morning to all. Class 5. In our last class, we understood how to do the addition. That is, after adding whatever sum you were getting, you were either doing minus 60 or minus 24 if day and hours are there, or minus 12 if months are there. Then on the right hand side you are doing minus, on the left hand side you are doing plus 1. Okay, now today we are going to do the subtraction. How we have to do? In addition we were doing the changes in the sum, whatever answer we get, but in subtraction prior only you have to do the conversion part. Okay, if upside is more, like this, 12 hours, 18 hours. Let me show you. Days and hours are there. See, days and hours are there, and you have to subtract 7 days 18 hours, 5 days 12 hours. So 5 days 12 hours from 7 days 18 hours. So we have written 7 and 18 upside, 5 and 12 downside. So this you can subtract very easily. 8 minus 2, 6, 7 minus 5, 2. So this will become 2 days and 6 hours. But if the upside number is less, what you have to do at that time? This is also days and hours. From 12 days 10 hours you have to subtract 7 days and 19 hours. Now look here children, now this you have to do. 0 minus 9 we can't do, or 1 10 minus 19 we can't do. So what you can do? Hours. We know in one day in there are 24 hours. So you can do minus here and you can do plus here. When we do plus here, this is going to be more and this is going to be less. Now you can subtract this 4, this 10. This will become 34 altogether. So this will become 34. Now you can write in another line 1 and 34, 7 and 19. Now you can easily subtract this. Borrow 14 minus 9, 5, 2 minus 1, 1, borrow 11 minus 7, 4. So your answer will be 4 days 15 hours. Likewise, we were doing in addition after getting the answer sum, but in subtraction you have to do this conversion at first only. Now, what is the time? 2 hours 25 minutes before 9 hours 9.10 p.m. So the time is 9:10 p.m. That is 9:10 p.m. means at night. Now you have to go back 2 hours and 25 minutes. For this you have to take either help of mental, or you can do it with like this also. Suppose see 9 and 10, 2 and 25, as we were doing in subtraction. This is minute and this is hour. What you can do, you can make this minus 1 and you can add here plus, because we can't subtract 10 by 25. So what you can do, now this becomes 8, this becomes 70, 2 and 25. Okay, this you have done. Now get the answer. 5, 4, 6. So the time 2 hours 25 minutes back from 9 hours 9:10 p.m. is 6:45 p.m. or you can do it mentally also. Okay, now find the time interval between 6:15 and 4:10. What is the time interval? But you have to look very carefully in AM and PM. This is 6:15 AM. Very easy. 7:15 AM, 8:15 AM, 9:15 AM, 10:15 AM, 11:15 AM, 12:15 AM. After that PM starts. 1:10, 1:15, 2:15, 3:15 and 4:15. See, 4:15, but you have to take till 4:10. So what you can do? You have to take till here only. This will become 9 hours and 5 minutes are less, so 55 minutes. So your answer will be 9 hours 55 minutes. Okay, or you can do it with using of addition or subtraction method also. These are the word problems. Word problems you have to try and do it in your copy. Otherwise, I am going to send the some of the word problems to you after doing it. Okay, children. Now I hope you have understood this time chapters addition and subtraction very well and putting this AM and PM and conversion. Do regular practice of your maths because maths is a subject of practice. How much you practice in maths, that much your concept is going to be clear. Okay, bye bye.